Myanmar's cuisine is influenced by its neighboring countries, such as India, China, Thailand, and Bangladesh, as well as its own unique flavors and ingredients. Here are some key aspects of Myanmar's cuisine. 1. Rice. Rice is a staple food in Myanmar, and it is consumed with almost every meal. Steamed rice, known as ht amin, is usually served alongside various curries, soups, and stir-fried dishes. 2. Mohinga. Considered Myanmar's national dish, mohinga is a popular breakfast dish made of rice noodles served in a fish-based soup. The soup is flavored with lemongrass, ginger, garlic, and fish paste, and it is often garnished with crispy fritters, boiled eggs, and fresh herbs. 3. Curry. Myanmar is known for its delicious curries. The curries in Myanmar are usually less spicy compared to those in neighboring countries like Thailand or India. Common ingredients used in Myanmar curries include fish, chicken, pork, beef, or mutton, cooked with a variety of spices, herbs, and vegetables. 4. Tea leaf salad. Lepet thok. Lepet thok is a unique and popular Burmese salad made with fermented tea leaves. The tea leaves are mixed with various ingredients such as shredded cabbage, tomatoes, roasted peanuts, garlic, sesame seeds, and dried shrimp, creating a complex and flavorful combination. 5. Shan noodles. Shan noodles are a specialty of the Shan state in Myanmar. They are typically made with flat rice noodles, served with a tangy tomato and meat sauce, topped with crispy fried garlic and scallions. Shan noodles can be enjoyed in both vegetarian and meat-based versions. 6. Burmese biryani. Influenced by Indian cuisine, Burmese biryani is a fragrant rice dish cooked with a combination of spices, meat, usually chicken or mutton, and sometimes potatoes. The rice is typically flavored with saffron, giving it a yellow color, and it is often garnished with fried onions and served with a side of yogurt. 7. Street food. Myanmar has a vibrant street food culture, and you can find a wide variety of snacks and small bites in the bustling markets and streets. Popular street food items include samosas, fried tofu, skewered meats, grilled fish, and a variety of savory pancakes. 8. Sweets and desserts. Myanmar has its own unique sweets and desserts. One of the most famous desserts is Mont Lone Ye Pa, also known as mung bean flour noodles, served with coconut milk and jaggery syrup. Other popular sweets include htamain, a sweet glutinous rice dish, shui yin ai, a colorful dessert with agar jelly, sago pearls, coconut milk, and fruits, and kyak kya, jelly made with agar and flavored with coconut or pandan. These are just a few highlights of Myanmar's cuisine. The country offers a wide range of flavors, ingredients, and culinary experiences that reflect its cultural diversity and history. Until next time, keep tantalizing those taste buds.